This is it. Come on, guys. I love it. It's drizzling, but you know, we can still manage. And I think, maganda naman yung mga shots natin. Even though wala namang sun or sunrise. But still, you know, God is good. With all this kind of experience, I love it. Love it, guys. Ayan, lulusong tayo sa ano to. Oh my God, nagpa-fog. Oh, this is it. You see this, guys? It's coming. Oh my God, di natin makita yung ano to. May ulap. Diyos ko, Lord. Oh no, oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, medyo parang bumulusok. La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. Oh my God. I can't believe it, guys. We're here. We're going down na. Yes, pababa na tayo. So para, ayan. Pababa na siya, guys. Ang galing ng mga ano to, ng mga staff nila. And my captain is really doing better, doing good. Ang galing niya. Ayun, hindi mga ano to, para motor gliding din. That was intense. I survived. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Okay. Alright, thank you, thank you. Go straight? Yeah. Thank you. Ayun, kakatapos nga lang natin. Kakababa lang natin. And that was really fun. I enjoy it and I love it. You know.